Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm so excited to be announcing the two lucky winners for the two giveaway prizes that I shared with you in my last video. I will put the link down below to that video if you wanted to have a look and see what the prizes consist of as well. So I just want to thank everyone that entered in the giveaway. I think I had about 294 entries. And I read everyone's comments and I read all of the answers to the question that was part of the entry, and to see or to read everyone having so many interests and hobbies was quite interesting, and it's great to see that we all have so many different interests in what we do. But I'm going to announce the winners now. So the first winner will receive the first prize, which is these 6 project ideas that I had made and also done a tutorial for you guys. So you will receive this project, and also included in this part of the giveaway, you will also receive these other fun bundle pack as well to add to your prize. So all this is for the first winner, and the first prize for this giveaway goes to Scrapanology. So congratulations, Scrapanology. You are the winner for the first prize of this whole bundle pack. So that's for the first prize. And the second winner that will receive a smaller bundle pack, which is this one here that I've put together. And you get some fun stuff in here as well. So this one here is for the second winner, and that goes to Tina Martin. So congratulations, Tina. You've the winner of the second giveaway prize for this giveaway. So I just want to thank everybody that participated in the giveaway. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and enjoy my videos. I have a whole heap more of fun projects, tutorials, and some kits as well for you if you wanted to make the kits up from some of the projects that I'm going to show you. So please continue watching my videos. And for the two winners, if you'd like to direct message me on Instagram for your postage details, or you can email me, which is down below the video for my email address. I will be able to package and send this off to you when I get your details. Again, it may take a little while for you to receive it with the posting and shipping internationally. It will take probably a few weeks to arrive to you, but you will receive them. So again, thank you everyone, and I hope to see you all soon in my next videos. Bye.